Hello, let's talk today about Santosha. Santosha, it is one of the 5 Niyamas that we can find in Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Santosha means contentment or satisfaction. Satisfaction with everything what happens in our life. We accept all situations, good situations, bad situations, and we accept it as it is. We're satisfied with that. Also, we have everything right now to start growing. It means that we don't need to reach something, we don't need to buy something to start growing. And Santosha principle, it is about accepting us, about accepting our character, about accepting our life, job, material side of our life. It also about accepting yoga practice, about accepting our whole body, speech and mind levels. And Santosha gives you an ability to start acting right now without waiting for somebody to come. Our mind always wants something new. Our mind is always searching for something newer, better. And you know, sometimes people, even who are practicing yoga, they find one teacher. After some time, their mind telling them, no, let's look and find another one. After some time, they find another one. After some time, their mind says, no, maybe there are a better one. And they're searching for somebody to come, and they don't start doing practice. So Santosha, it means that we're accepting all situations that happens in our life, both good and bad, and we already have everything to start growing. You know, our mind also has interesting quality. When some other people buy something new, we also want to buy the same. For example, our neighbor bought new car and we also want to buy new car. It's our mind who thinks that we need something, and he's always searching, looking, and our mind does not give us satisfaction. So Santosha, it gives us satisfaction, and it gives us satisfaction right now. Usually we think that the more items we have, the more happier we are, but it doesn't work like that, because happiness, it comes from our inside. Happiness, it is our inner quality, and it doesn't matter how many items do we have. There was interesting story when there was one city that was occupied by some reasons, and for people who were living in that city, others, they said that they should leave it, and all people took all their items, all their baggages, and they went to a different place. And there was one sage, and he has absolutely nothing with him. And somebody asked him, where are your items? Why didn't you have anything? And he said, the most important what I need is always with me. And it was like very great, very beautiful answer, you know, because a lot of people had a lot of baggage and he didn't have anything. But he said, the most important is always with me. So this is about Santosha, about that you have everything what you need, and you can do whatever you need right now, from this right moment. People often have everything, but still they don't have peace of mind. And when there is no satisfaction, mind is always rushing. It means that mind is only rushing while there is no satisfaction inside. And when you're satisfied, then you can do whatever you need. Also, there are different situations in life. There are sometimes good situations, sometimes bad. And we also need to know that even in bad situations, we need to find good and positive sides. It means that actually every situation that happens in our life, it can have both good and both not good side of that. So, but even in bad situations, we always can find something good. For example, person become ill. So from one side, it looks like it is very bad because person become ill. He is not able to go to work. He is not able to satisfy his or his family needs. But from the other side, this person, he can think that, oh, I've got a problem, I've got a illness, and if I will look for the material, for the information, for the knowledge, how to improve my own qualities to go over this illness, then I will become stronger. And this person, if he thinks like that, he starts looking for information, looking for teachers, looking for solutions that can help him to find the real reason why this illness came to him. And when he finds that, then he makes a good, he makes the good, he realizes the reason why, what was the reason of that problem, of that illness. And after that, he becomes healthy. So it works like that. Santosha, it gives harmony between us and between outer world. Santosha allows you to start doing plans and projects right now instead of planning it. You know, there are a lot of people who are saying that when I will become older, I will do whatever I want. Or when my child will grow up, I will do then project of my life. Or when I will finish my career, I will start doing whatever I want to do. And people are planning, and those plans are, sometimes they realize it, but sometimes no. So it's better if you have time, if you have good ideas, good plans, it's better to start doing it right now, because who knows what happens tomorrow. There is a very great sentence: nobody knows what comes faster, tomorrow or next life. So we never know. So this is what about Santosha, about satisfaction in everything what happens in our life. How to practice Santosha? Always look at the bright side of life. Also, cut off negative thoughts and emotion through mantra. Repeat mantra, and mantra help to remove all those negative qualities of our mind, like angriness, greed, aggression, jealousy, lust, and all other. And be more thankful for others. Thankful, just remember that we need to more say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Because there is a lot of people, a lot of power who are doing a lot of good things for others, and we need to remember to say thanks for them. Now let's see what Hatha Yoga Pradipika are saying about Santosha. Contentment in all or Santosha means developing a sense of the fullness in any situation, no matter what happens to you, whether you have a lot or nothing, gain or lose, you must feel that you have enough of everything. The opposite of this is feeling of insecurity, restlessness, and instability. We all, of course, looking for something. Many find satisfaction in material things, but after a while, dissatisfaction comes again. When you understand that all desires cannot be fulfilled, comes time to seek spiritual satisfaction and realization. This is the only way to Santosh, or true satisfaction. So, this is what Hatha Yoga Pradipika telling us about Santosha. Please remember karma. If we have something in life, or if we don't have something in life, it means that reason in this, it is our karma. If we created karma in our previous lives to have something right now, so we will have it. If we did not create karma to have something, we did not have. Did you notice that people who they born different? One child borns in wealthy family, another child borns in beggars family. So there are difference, and the difference is in their karma. It means the more good things you do right now for other people, the more good things you get back in the future. So it means if even now you will start to do good things for others, then you will get all those good things in the future, or in this life, or in your future life. The more you share, the more you get. It can be a little bit hard to understand from the first sight, but if you will look at life very careful with attention, you will see that it really happens in life. It means the more you give, the more you get back. That's all about Santosha. Please let me know in the comments what do you think about it. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time. Goodbye.